Okay, so this is a job we need to do daily, and you have to make sure this is all correct. And so this is a easy job, but it takes a lot of you have to be careful, yeah. Otherwise, um, will be bad. So this is a thing we need. I'll teach you how to do it. So the program we are using is called Prostream. All right, I'm going to send you the login information. You can log in, and when you first log in, you'll see this. All right, and this is a zip code. So this zip code, you have to go through them every single day to see if there are new listings. Basically, we are going to Prostream and find the properties we want, and you can ignore the properties we do not want. Okay, and so the way you do it is you put the zip code in here, and there is some filter we need to go through. The filter is what I sent you just now. All right, you put the filter in, and you see if there is some properties that we want, and then you put it in the my property list. In property, you put in this category. It's called hot deals. All right, you put it in here, and there might be a chance you cannot find anything every day. All right, if you cannot find anything every day, you just keep doing that. All right, I will pay for you, but has to be done every day. You have to check every day. All right. So I'm going to tell you the filters first. All right. First of all, we have to go through all the zip code. All right. We just pick one for now. 73064. All right. Put 73064, and then we choose the first one. You can see there are like 10,000 properties right here. And then we choose filter. And in this property characteristic, we click that, and then we go here and see single family, right? We choose single family right here. And then we put in here, we see this number 4, minimum 3 bedroom, 1 bath, right? The bedroom minimum 3, bathroom minimum 1, right? So you can see my search is this already. And then we go to the next one. It says year has to be minimum 1970. That means the house has to be built after this, 1970. You can see this, there's a year built, right? And then we put 1970. All right. And then we go to see if there's anything else. There's nothing under that category. And we then go to the MLS, right? We kind of unfold it. MLS status. It says MLS has to be all active, right? So we go in here, MLS status, we go active. And then listing amount. So listing amount max has to be 230,000 max. So we put in here 230,000 right here. And then I think that we are done here. And there is a value trend to be under 300,000. So we go back here, there's a valuation and equity information. and the estimate value, we go maximum 300,000, right? We go back here, see if there's anything else. Let's type MLS, single family, we do that, we do this, we do this, we did this. All active listing, maximum 230, value 300. So we basically done everything, all right? We go to the next one. So no rent listings. This one you cannot choose, but you have to see the listings by one to see, all right? So after that, you just close it, you just click this. You see there are 10 properties fit our filter. And now we go here to see every single one of them, to see if that's match our desire or our properties. So when you click in, you can see the value is 209,000, right here. We go here straight MLS details. You see this is listing current active. Current listing price is 1,500. So categories is rent. You remember what we wrote here? No rent listings. Right? So if you see here as a rent, you can just ignore it and go to the next one. All right? We don't want rent listings. Go to this one. We go MLS listings. You see this list price is 152, but the value is 143. So the list price is bigger or greater than the value price, right? So if you see this is bigger than this, you can go to the next one. So we only collect the properties that the list price is smaller or cheaper than the value price. Yeah, hopefully you understand, all right? So if you see this, list price is bigger than the value, we don't want it, all right? So if you see the listing price is cheaper than the value, what do? You click right here, and you click add to list, and add to marketing list, you choose this hot deals, all right? And you click save, and then the property will go to that, and you can go to the next one already, all right? So because this one is cheaper, is more expensive than the value, we'll go to the next one, all right? So this is very hard to find sometime, but there must be some every day. See, this value is 222, right? Go to MLS details. You can see this is 193, right? So this listing price is cheaper than the value, correct? So we want that. We want this, all right? So all you need to do is click this, and then click add to list, and go here, find the hot deals, and click save. All right, property save, and then you can go to the next one. You can unclick that. Don't forget to unclick that, otherwise it will add again. All right, so we go to the next one. We see this. Go MLS details. So value is 170, but list price is 195. So the list price is greater or more expensive than the value. So we do not want it. All right? So you can go to the next one. You can see this value is 128. MLS details 143. Again, this one is more expensive than this one, so we do not want it. Go to the next one. You see how fast it is? Go MLS details 212, 208. No, right? Easy. So you could just go to MLS details. Sometimes it's cash sell in the second, but we only want the MLS details. Go here. List price 155, 120. No, thank you. Go to the next one. All right, MLS details 190, 180. No good. All right, so you go through all this. You see there are only 10 properties in this zip code, right? And let's say you finish this zip code. What else do you do? All right. So you see all this zip code. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. There are 15, 20, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28. They're almost like 30 something zip code. All right. You have to go through them every single day. All right. But you don't need to do the filter every time. So let's say you finish these 10 properties. What do you do next? The next one is 73003, right? You just come here, delete everything, 73003. And you click this. You see there are 6 properties here. So you don't need to change this anymore because this one is a lot of filters. Sometimes you can miss something. So you don't need to do this every time. All right. So go through all the properties, zip code. Go through every single one of them every single day. And then at the end of the day, I will come here. I'll go to list source. And after you finish, just tell me, okay, boss, I finished. And I'll go here and go to my properties. You don't need to do that, but I have to do it. I'm just showing you. So I go to this hot deals. I will go every day and check the properties. All right. And every day after I check, I will delete it. So the next day, you will have an empty sheet you can work on, right? So you don't need to get mixed every single time. So it's crucial to after you finish, let me know. All right. Actually, I won't delete it because if I delete it, every time I look at it, there will be a new property, but might be the old property you find yesterday. All right. So I will not delete it. You just keep searching every day for new properties. Make sure this filter I send you. Make sure all this filter I send you is in the MLS filter right here. All right, you have to make sure you select everything. All right, and then go through every properties, every zip code. That's about it. Thank you. If you have any questions, let me know.